Bike check for Josh, the Jackel Santiago 16 expert. Going to be running the Felt Hydroform aluminum frame, courtesy of Carlos Perez over at Felt Factory. Going to be running Snap products. Going to be running Snap chainring, Snap stem, seat clamp, chain tensioners. Got a Tioga seat, DXR brakes, courtesy of Powers. I'm running Chris King hubs, Sun Envy wheels, thanks to John over at Sun Ringley. The Answer dagger forks with the Answer 8-inch rise bars, thanks to Ryan and Natasha over at Answer. Got the Saints cranks. It's going to be a sweet ride, about 19 pounds.